So I am assuming a closed container with 3 non-reacting gases. Let the weight of all the gases be Wmix and total number of moles be Nmix. Weight of gas number 1 will be W1, weight of gas 2 will be W2 and weight of gas 3 will be W3. Number of moles in gas 1 will be N1, number of moles in gas 2 will be N2, number of moles in gas 3 will be N3. So first formula, Wm, total weight of all the gases upon total number of moles present in the mixture. So W1 plus W2 plus W3 upon N1 plus N2 plus N3. This is the first formula by which we can remove the molar mass of gaseous mixture. Second, number of moles is equal to so total number of moles present in gas 1 N1 is equal to W1 upon M1. In gas number 2 is equal to W2 upon M2 and in gas number 3 is equal to W3 upon M3. So we can write it as W1 is equal to N1 into molar mass of gas 1. Molar weight of gas number 2 is equal to molar mass of gas 2 into number of moles. Molar mass weight of gas 3 is equal to molar mass of gas 3 into number of moles. So we can replace this by this. So the second formula will be M1 into N1 plus M2 into N2 plus M3 into N3 upon N1 plus N2 plus N3. After this, we will assume that pressure and temperature of the gaseous mixture will remain constant. When pressure and temperature of the gas remains constant, so we can replace this number of moles by volume. Let us assume volume of gas 1 is equal to V1, gas 2 is equal to V2 and gas 3 is equal to V3. So the third formula will be M1 V1 plus M2 V2 plus M3 V3 upon V1 plus V2 plus V3. After this, mole fraction is number of moles in gas 1, mole fraction of gas 1 is equal to number of moles in gas 1 upon total number of moles in the gaseous mixture. So we can write this formula as M1 N1 upon N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus M1 M2 N2 upon N1 plus N2 plus N3 and M3 N3 upon N1 plus N2 plus N3. We represent mole fraction by the by x1, that is we pronounce it as chi. So we can replace this by this. So m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3. This will be the fourth formula for molar mass of gaseous mixture. Sir. So there is a mixture of gas O2 plus SO2. Given temperature 27 degrees Celsius, pressure is equal to 1 atmospheric pressure, volume ratio is to 1, and weight of the mixture is equal to 20 gram. So molar mass of O2 is equal to 32 gram and molar mass of SO2 will be 64 grams. So we have to find the number of moles present in the mixture. So number of moles is equal to weight of the mixture upon average molar mass of the mixture. So weight of the mixture is given as 20 gram. So 20 gram upon average molar mass of mixture. So volume is given in 2:1 ratio. So we can assume that volume of O2 is equal to 2 and volume of SO2 is equal to 1. So average molar mass of mixture will be weight of mixture upon number of moles present in the mixture. So we can write it as M1 V1 plus M2 V2 upon V1 plus V2. So mass of O2 will be 32 into 2 plus 64 into 1 upon 2 plus 1. So this will be 128 upon 3. This will be the molar mass of gaseous mixture. So we will put this value here. So 20 gram upon 128 upon 3. This will be 20 into 3 upon 128 is equal to 60 upon 128. This will be the number of moles present in the gaseous mixture. Sir. क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है क्या? हाँ चालू है सर. A gaseous mixture contains 60 mole% of CO2 and 40 mole% of O2. Calculate the average molar mass of mixture. So CO2 plus O2, gas 1 and gas 2. So mass of CO2 will be 44 gram per mole and mass of O2 will be 32 gram per mole. Mole percent of CO2 is 60%. And mole percent of O2 is 40%. So mole percent of CO2 is equal to chi into 100. So 60 is equal to chi into 100. So chi is equal to 0.6. This will be mole fraction of CO2. Mole percent of O2 is equal to chi 2 into 100. So 40 is equal to chi 2 into 100. 100 upon 40. So chi 2 is equal to 0.4. This will be the mole fraction of O2. So molar mass of mixture will be mass of gas 1 into chi into mole fraction of gas 1 plus mass of gas 2 into mole fraction of gas 2 is equal to 44 into 0.6, 32 into 0.4. So mass of gaseous mixture will be 39.2 gram.